What's up guys, Frankie here aka Super Speed 302 and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be installing brand new headlights on the Mustang. Right Leah? Right, we are installing new headlights. Yeah, we are. So yeah guys, we're going to be installing Raxion headlights. I just bought these ones and got it on the mail last week. And I'm going to show you how they look like. So they pretty much look like the style. What are you doing? They pretty much look like the style from the 2013 to the 2014 Mustangs, and that's pretty much what I wanted. So this is gonna give it a better look to my car, and I can finally get rid of these ones that are faded all the way here and everywhere, and they just look ugly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take off the plastic things first, and then start taking the lights out. So yeah guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing we do, we take this cover off, some little clips right here, here, and up here. I don't know if you can see it. And then you can get to the back of the headlights. Then for these headlights, you're gonna have 3 of these right here, one here, one here, and one here at the bottom, and these 2 unhook them. So what I'm going to do is unhook this headlight first and get it out, and then we're gonna compare them side to side and see. I'm going to show you some of the differences between those headlights, the Raxion headlights, versus these headlights. This is the old lights. So as you can see here, you have the light bulbs, the harness, and you can see it's all faded up and stuff. And then here's the car. This is how it looks like. It looks kind of funny. Sometimes it looks kind of weird. It looks like, I don't know, it's missing an eye or something. But yeah, I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then put the new light, and then going to show you on this other side and do the same process. These lights are actually not bad, but I just wanted to make a better look for the car, and those were the best option. I was gonna go for some other ones that were a little bit more modern European style based, but they were not sequential, so then I had to pay $150 more for the harness, and I wasn't going to do that because it was going to be a lot of money. So yeah, I'm going to clean this up, put one of them on. We're going to see the difference and see if it works. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is what we have. This is the new headlight, or tail light actually. On in the back we have, it's way smaller or thinner than the original one, of course, because this one doesn't have light bulbs, therefore doesn't need any other spaces in here for that. So we have our new harness, and we have our new resistor. Because they are going to be they are LEDs and they are sequential, and if you don't know about LED lights, they use less current, they have less resistance, so you need something to make these sequential lights work fine, and this will prevent them from burning out quick. So what we're gonna do is put them on, and I'm going to find a place to put these ones, which is probably somewhere around here. I have to figure out. Put it on, and we're going to see the same on this one and see how it looks like. Okay, now I already put the new grommet here. I just have to hook it up over here. Now I need to find out a place where I can put this, which is probably, I think it's probably over here would be a good place to put it on. Here's some 3M tape, so just glue it in there. Put a new light. I'm just gonna have to do a test fitting on it and see how it looks. This one is set up, and you can see the difference. I think it looks so much better. This one is hooked up, so what I'm going to do is turn it on and see if it works. Oh, there you go. You can now see the difference. I think actually this one is supposed to light up, but I'm sure it's because my car is on park right now, so I guess that's why. But it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that one, and it's looking pretty neat, guys. All right, so on this side we have all the map. I don't know if you can see over there because it's dark. So all I have to do is unplug right here. Let me show you. One hand right there. This is all out. Now I just have to grab around here to push this thing down. Well, it's stuck. I don't know why. Stuck. Right there we go. And same process. Got to pull up over here in this grommet, and there comes the old one. And here we got the second pair, or the other set. And same process now. Clean this side, put the new one in, and test it. Hopefully this gives the car a much better look and a little bit newer look compared to what for the year the car is. And yes, I did use quick detailer for this. Now since this is clean, I can look up for a place to put this one in. And if I'm not wrong, I put this one on this side close to here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Pull it off. I'm sorry for my ashiness, but it's cold and I'm working outside and all this stuff. So pull the 3M out. And let me tilt this in there. Doesn't work. There we go. So now I can put the light on, and try and see if this one works. There we go. Oh. Alright, so new light is on. So to hook it up, I'm going to go ahead and check it's working. Let me check and see if it's working. And there we go, guys. The lights are working. It's good. I'm going to show that a little clip when it gets darker so we can see better. Let's see how everything works. I'm just checking everything out right now. Brakes, e-brake works fine. Reverse lights, and I'm checking the hazards right now. So far so good. Alright guys, so I don't know why the video cut off just like that in the last part, but I just wanted to say the lights came out pretty good and they look pretty amazing. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and share with your friends and subscribe. I'm using a new editing software now, so that's why it kinda took me a while. Plus I was waiting on something else, so I needed some time to work on the video. I have another video going on for y'all next week, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be actually a good video because something bad might have happened to my car, but who knows. So yeah guys, just like the video and share with your friends. Take care, have a great day.